Hi everyone, here we've got REALME C3 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's find the security, which is right here. Now we have to scroll down, and as you can see here we've got the credential storage section, and at the very bottom of it we've got remove all user certificates. So let's tap on it and tap on OK. Now we have to enter our screen lock if we have one, so let me do it. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your REALME C3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.